Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys camera timer setting, how to use camera timer, how to on camera timer in iqoo mobile, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to use camera timer, how to on camera timer. Open your phone camera. After on camera friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, click here setting, and friends you can use iqoo mobile phone camera setting. From here you can off your camera sound, you can use your camera location setting, you can use your camera watermark, and friends you have any problem, so friends reset your camera setting. So friends, click here setting again. Camera timer is off, so friends we will set 3 seconds. So friends we will use 3 second camera timer. Friends you can see after 3 seconds, and friends you want to change your full, you want to change your screen size, full, half, you can use it. And friends click here 3 2 1, photo will click automatic, and you can check photo. So like that friends we can on camera timer and we can click photo. Friends you can increase your camera timer. Click here again, photos, setting, 5 second, 10 second you want to use. So friends now we will use 5 second. So friends after 5 second photo will click automatic, 1 2 5 4 3 2 1, photo will click automatic. And friends you want to use 10-second camera timer, so friends click here, and friends you can see 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, photo will click automatic. So friends like that you can click photo with timer. And you don't want to use, so friends click here, you can off timer. After off friends you can click photo without timer. So like that friends we can on camera timer. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.